Where do you live? I live in Bogota City, in Suba locality. What do you study at UPTC? I study bachelor's degree in elementary basic education, 1 semester. Do you work? Yes, I do. I work at the Central Hospital as a nurse. What time do you usually wake up? I usually get up at 6 a.m. I start work at 8 o'clock. Do you have a pet? No, I don't like animals because I hate the dog's hair. Do you like drinking milk? No, I don't. But I prefer drinking water. I enjoy drinking orange juice. What foods do you dislike? I dislike vegetable soup. I like fast food. I adore pizza. What do you like to do in your free time? I like spend time with my family. My family always watches movies all night. Do you like read? Yes, I do. I enjoy reading a book before sleep. Do you work on Saturdays? No, I don't. I avoid working on Saturdays because I travel studying in Chiquinquirá. When do you go to bed? I go to bed very late because I always finish working at 10 p.m. and also make dinner for my family. Do you like walking? No, I don't. I enjoy reading my book after lunch. What do you do on Sunday? I watch television regularly. Some teams play video games.